Before committing to NetSuite SuiteCommerce for your dropshipping business, there are 12 things you should know. Stick with me till the end as we compare SuiteCommerce to some competitors and help you make an informed decision. The first thing to know is that SuiteCommerce is an all-in-one cloud-based solution, but its pricing structure is much steeper compared to alternatives like Shopify or BigCommerce. While Shopify offers lower startup costs and is incredibly user-friendly, SuiteCommerce can provide much more complex features that integrate seamlessly with your existing business infrastructure, but at a higher cost. Next, SuiteCommerce is fully customizable, which is great if you have a team of developers. However, if you're looking for something with a quicker setup and less technical overhead, platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify might be more up your alley. Those are plug and play and come with tons of easy-to-use templates. The third thing is that SuiteCommerce comes with powerful inventory and order management tools. This is perfect for businesses that need to manage large volumes of products across multiple sales channels. But for smaller dropshipping businesses, platforms like BigCommerce could offer a simpler setup with fewer complexities. The fourth thing to consider is its integration with NetSuite ERP. This gives you full control over your financial data, supply chain, and customer service all in one platform. However, keep in mind that NetSuite ERP isn't as easy to integrate as some competitors, and if you don't need all that data at your fingertips, you could be better off with more straightforward solutions like Shopify. The fifth thing is that SuiteCommerce supports international operations, so if you're scaling globally, this could be a great benefit. It allows for multiple currencies, languages, and tax rules, which Shopify, for example, struggles with unless you invest heavily in additional apps. The sixth thing is that the user interface isn't the most intuitive. If you're used to platforms like Shopify or Wix, SuiteCommerce may take some time to get accustomed to. It's designed for large businesses, and it can feel clunky if you're just starting out. Next, SuiteCommerce has a built-in SEO toolset, but if SEO is your main focus, platforms like Shopify or WordPress with WooCommerce offer more robust tools and better performance out of the box, especially for beginners. The eighth thing to know is that SuiteCommerce reporting tools are incredibly powerful, especially for those who need in-depth financial analysis. However, competitors like BigCommerce and Shopify also offer advanced reporting tools, but they might not have the same depth as SuiteCommerce unless you add on paid apps. The ninth thing is that SuiteCommerce is ideal for businesses already using other Oracle or NetSuite products. The integration is seamless, saving time and effort, but this could be overkill for a dropshipping business that doesn't need that level of sophistication. For those businesses, Shopify or even Squarespace could work better and more cost-effectively. The 10th thing is that while it offers excellent customer service, many users find that support can be slower than what you might get from Shopify, which is known for 24/7 customer service, or even BigCommerce. Next thing to know is that SuiteCommerce is built with scalability in mind. If you're planning on expanding quickly and have the resources to manage it, SuiteCommerce can grow with you. But if you're just starting out, something like Shopify or WooCommerce can scale with you while being easier to manage at the beginning stages. The 12th thing to consider is the implementation time. SuiteCommerce can take a significant amount of time to get fully set up, especially if you're customizing it to fit your needs. For a quicker launch, platforms like Wix or Shopify are much more user-friendly and offer faster turnaround. In conclusion, NetSuite SuiteCommerce can be an excellent choice for growing businesses with complex needs, but it might not be the best fit for everyone, especially those just starting in dropshipping. If you're looking for an easier and more cost-effective solution, check out our recommended alternative that you can try for free.